Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what we believe is the best velvet ball pit on the market, the ZYSMALAT Baby Ball Pit. This premium velvet memory foam ball pit is designed especially for toddlers aged 1 to 3 and babies, providing a safe, cozy, and fun environment for your little ones to play and develop their motor skills. Right off the bat, what sets this ball pit apart is its exceptional material quality. The entire structure is crafted with premium memory foam, ensuring a soft yet supportive base that cushions every tumble and crawl. The outer fabric is a luxurious velvet that's not only incredibly soft to the touch but also durable, designed to withstand the energetic play of toddlers and babies alike. This combination of memory foam and velvet fabric creates a comfortable and inviting play space that children will love to spend time in. The ZYSMALAT ball pit comes in a beautiful large pink flower shape that adds a playful and stylish touch to any indoor play area. Its round design encourages kids to move freely and explore their surroundings safely. This ball pit isn't just a toy, it's a sensory-rich play zone that helps promote tactile development thanks to its soft, plush texture. Parents will appreciate the thoughtful details in this product's design. It features premium zippers that allow you to easily unzip and remove the velvet cover, making cleaning a breeze. Simply throw the fabric cover into the washing machine for quick refreshment, keeping the ball pit hygienic and looking like new. The foam base underneath is durable and holds its shape well, making it a long-lasting investment for your child's playtime. Another great feature is its versatility for year-round indoor fun. Since it's made with high-quality foam and soft fabric, it's perfectly suited for any season, providing a safe and engaging space indoors regardless of the weather outside. The size of the ball pit is ideal for toddlers and babies, measuring 35 by 35 inches with a height of 12 inches. It's spacious enough to accommodate playtime comfortably, yet compact enough to fit easily in most rooms. And while the ball pit itself doesn't come with balls, you can easily add your own set of colorful plastic balls to enhance the play experience. ZYSMALAT is a veteran family-owned business based in Chicago, Illinois. Their passion for creating premium quality kids products shines through in this ball pit. They focus on using the softest fabrics and highest density foam to make playtime both fun and safe. If you're looking for a stylish, soft, and safe ball pit that supports your child's sensory and motor skill development, the ZYSMALAT Baby Ball Pit is definitely worth considering. It's designed not only to provide countless hours of indoor fun but also to stand the test of time with durable materials and easy cleaning. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review or want to see more premium kids products, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.